G'day, how are you?
We know that in order to get ahead, you go through a hell of a lot.
Hey fellas!
It's a Baghdad road.
G'day.
Nice to meet you.
And you heard Bill retired?
Thanks.
With our hands-on approach,
Good boy.
we grow through what you go through.
Thank you so much, Suno.
And that's what makes New Holland your most trusted partner.